Well, good morning, and a big hello from the London Heathrow Terminal 3. My name's Golden, and welcome to Seaplane Travels. It is currently 4 a.m. I am allowing jet lag to play its positive part on me at the moment, and I am ready to catch my flight to my next destination. But before I do that, I want to show you this cute little transit hotel that I was staying at. So I'm actually staying at the Airhotel, which was just opened, I think a few months ago here at Heathrow. They have locations all over the world, but I had a pleasant little stay. It was perfect for what I needed, and it was right here at Heathrow. So my next flight doesn't leave for about 2 more hours, but I am going to head over to Terminal 2 now and make my way there so that way I can sit in the lounge, maybe get some breakfast, and then we're off to Frankfurt. So today's a very special day. I'm very excited. The first of many legs that I'm about to embark on. I'm headed to Frankfurt this morning for a 7-hour layover, but then I board a flight that I have been waiting to board for a very, very long time. A very exciting day, but a very long day. I'm finally here inside Terminal 2. It is very, very early. It's actually before any of the lounges or anything opens, so I'm here patiently waiting. As I was saying, today I'm flying to Frankfurt and then I am headed to Qatar. I've been looking forward to this trip for a very long time, so I'm so excited to fly on my first A380 and my first A350, and my first A350 ride is going to be in Q Suite, which is the world's best business class. So I'm tucked away in this little back part of the lounge. The food looks amazing. I was a little bit scared because the coffee machine said it was not working, but delicious, just what I need right now. Okay, so apparently that lounge also offered bedrooms for £60 for 3 hours minimum stay. There was showers and all the spa treatments, but obviously I wasn't gonna pay for that because I am leaving right now. Excited to say that I actually got upgraded to the upper deck on the Qatar Airways A380.
Bags of liquids under the seat in front of you.
Here we go. Alrighty. Here we are on board the A380 Upper Deck Economy on Qatar Airways. I'm on the upper deck of the A380. You get this massive storage bin. Also, I guess there's a menu. And maybe I'll put my bag in here. This is a menu. This was left on the plane from the last route, Doha to Europe. This, you get a pillow. This is Qatar Airways. And a blanket. Here's the tray table. It's pretty decent size. Release. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to get settled in. So I'm very excited for this flight. Can't believe I'm here. The wingtip feels so far away from where we're at. So this upper deck storage is actually extremely handy. I love that. I want to go over a few things on here. So obviously this is the famous Qatar Airways Oryx one, but they've got so much stuff on here. I mean, you got flight map, camera views here. There it is. Looking awesome. So since it's pretty empty up here on the second floor of the A380, one of the really lovely flight crew, I can already tell they're amazing from what people have said, but like this one FA is so sweet to me. She came by and said, oh, since we're practically empty, I'll give you the full business class experience. So that's pretty cool. I'm loving that. I'm getting business class experience in economy before I even take my business class flight. Here is the menu. Alright, I went with some water and pretzels were served, and I also ordered a glass of champagne that she's going to have to open in the back. Cheers. Alrighty, it is dinner time. We've got a little roll here. I went for the chicken dish. I got a Diet Pepsi, which is in Arabic. So we have a side that looks like an orzo pasta, and then a dessert, which is a chocolate ganache. Tomato rice with chicken and raisins. So let's dig in. This might be like real cutlery. Feels heavy. It is real cutlery. Wow. Let's go ahead and dive into the chicken. It's good. I want to try this like side pasta thing. It's literally a cold side of oyster pasta. It's very good. Alright, the delicious dinner is over and we hit some turbulence, so seatbelt sign is on. But I'm going to try and get some rest once this settles down because I am getting really tired. Now I'm trying to sleep. I've got myself in my pajamas, 4 seats to myself. I'm living the life and I'm really dying. Alright guys, I just had a pretty solid 2.5 hours of sleep, which was very needed. About an hour and 10 minutes out from Doha, so I figured now is a good time to just enjoy the rest of the flight. Alrighty, they just announced that we are landing very soon. I just want to touch base on something real quick. I did not expect the flight crew to be that good. They're so attentive, so friendly. They feel like they are literally your friends. And I just had such an amazing time. I am so happy I did this because this is an experience I'll never forget. This airline is truly something special, I think. And this is just my economy flight. This isn't even my business class flight yet, and I can make that decision already. We're descending into Doha now. Once we get there, I will transfer on to my next flight. Having this upper cabin to myself pretty much was extraordinary experience as well. The way Qatar has laid out this entire airplane is just amazing. I mean, I went for a walk downstairs and it's just so huge that it's hard to comprehend. Alright guys, so I'm here at the Al Marjan Lounge, the business class lounge here at Qatar Doha Hamad International Airport. I wanted to conclude this vlog here because the next part of this is going to be primarily about my Q-Suite experience on the Qatar Airways A350. I really am having the time of my life right now. As an app geek and as a lover of aviation, this is seriously a dream come true for me, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you guys. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. Alright.